Welcome. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a website on Bookmarks. So if you don't know what Bookmark is in Google Chrome, there's options that you can see here on the upper part of my screen. This for you to have a easy access on any website that you are using frequently or continuously. So for example, I have Gmail, theonlinejobs.ph, YouTube, OpenLMS, and Google Drive. So for example, I want to add Twitter. You want to search for twitter.com, and then here you can see a star on the search bar. It is on the right side of search bar, so you want to click on that, and then here you can edit the name of your bookmark. So I'm just gonna put Twitter, and then click done. Here, as you can see, it is added on our bookmark. So next time if you want to go to Twitter, you can just click on that, and then that's it. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.